Georgie. Let me get situated here. Hi, baby. Oop, hi. I know. I'm looking at you. I'm not looking at what the camera's seeing. I know it's cold. I'm all discombobulated. Yeah. Hello. Okay, you coming? I know you like grapes a lot, don't you, buddy? You do like the grapes. You do like the grapes. I know. I know it, baby. I know. Silly ninja. Hold on. Okay, here we go. You know, I got more. I got more. There. I know. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh, you're so adorable. You're so adorable. What is it that you want? Hey, what? I'm trying to feed Georgie. I'm trying to feed the Georgie. Hi, Georgie. Hey, with your little nose. There we go. There's the Georgie. Oh, Georgie pants. Oh, Georgie pants. I want your avocado. Okay, I'm going to put it right there. Right beside you. There. Oh. All right, I'll grab your blanket. There we go. Are you holding it? Yeah. Don't eat it. Oh, you don't eat it. Lick it. Lick the light green stuff, not the dark green stuff. There, now you got it. Now you got it. Now you got it. Georgie, it's very cold outside. Like, I was feeling really bad for you until I came in and I saw you all snuggled. Yeah. Yeah, you're a spoiled wild possum, aren't you? You're a spoiled wild possum. Oh, he's such a soft baby. He's such a soft baby. Are you finished? Oh, did you get some peel in there? Because it's grody. Ugh. Alright, I saw a little bit of piece. Oh, I know. Your hands are now filthy with avocado, aren't they? I saw a little piece go down in the crack, so I'll put it in your bowl for you. Hi, honey. Hi. I put a little piece of granola. Yeah, I put some granola in your food. I did. And a couple more grapes, so you got surprises when you get up. It's like Christmas. There you go. Oh, Cozy George. Cozy George. the buggy brush? Oh. Oh, the buglet. Oh. What are you doing, Georgie? I'm not brushing you. I know, I got distracted by Buggy. I got distracted with the buggers. Oh my gosh, what is happening in here? I know your water's dirty, I'll clean it. But why are you fishing in it? Did you find food? I don't know. What are you doing back here? You more brushing? More brushing? What was that? You know, I hear about possum screams all the time, but I never heard one. I've never heard of a possum scream. I never heard a baby possum scream. What was that? Why did you scream? Huh? You baby covered up? Or are you looking for crumbs? Oh, baby. All right, you ready for your blankie? Let me get it unhooked here. Oh, no. It's just your blanket. I'm trying to get it like untangled. It's okay. It's your blankie. There, it's your blankie. It's your blankie. I know. We gotta get him all snuggly. Georgie snuggly. Oh, Georgie. All right, night-night, baby. Are you snuggly? Huh? Are you snuggly? Oh, so sleepies. So sleepies. All right. I'm going to pull it up a little bit more. There we go. No, you don't have to panic. It's right there. I don't want that gap. There. So you can stay warm. Yeah, so you can stay warm. You don't have to panic. You don't have to panic, Georgie. All right, night-night, baby. Night-night, Georgie.